Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you the default command palette that comes with any textual application. So what I have right here is an application that does nothing. In fact, I don't even know why it's just to set up for the remainder of the video, because I don't even need to instantiate a subclass application. An application that has nothing already comes with a command palette. So let's show you how it works. So this is saved. I'll run my application now. So there's nothing here. And now what I'll do is I'll press Ctrl/, and it opens this command palette. And you can type in here and it will look commands up. And by default, you have 3. So you can play the bell. So you can ring the terminal bell. You will probably hear nothing because I'm not recording the computer sound. You can also toggle dark mode. So this is about to get bright, so get ready. So you can toggle dark mode. So you can toggle it again, and you can also quit your application. So these are the 3 commands that you have by default. Also, let's charge my computer. Perfect. So these are the 3 commands that you have by default. And to open the command palette, the default key binding is Ctrl/. And one other neat thing, and I'll just show it to you really quickly, is that if you have a header widget, if you compose a header widget in your application, you'll see that the header widget also has a small button that lets you open the command palette. So let's see, I think this is what I want. So I'll run the application again. There's the header, and on the left there's a button there. If you press it, it also opens the command palette. So now you can quit the application. So this is the default command palette and the 3 commands it contains, at least as of this recording. If you have any questions, I'll leave a documentation link and the code below. And you're also free to join the Discord server to ask for help. So I hope this was interesting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.